MakerFlo just released these updated 20-ounce tumblers and they are freaking awesome. So let's engrave one and I can tell you all about it. They have them in the electroplated colors. They have the rainbow in black and white and the gold in black and white as well. But this thing looks freaking awesome. But the coolest part is you can unscrew this lid and now you can attach a removable handle. And this makes it easy to engrave so you don't have to remove any screws, and it actually gives you a couple extra ounces for your beverage as well. But so since we're going to engrave this, I want to make sure my handle and I have my design right where I want it to be, and the handle can go on either side. And so I am going to just mark where the middle is here with a pencil. So now that I have that pencil mark, we can remove the lid and then we can throw it into the laser to engrave. All right, so we can place this in here and just bring the back up a little bit like that. And so you want to make sure it's not so tight that it can't move. All right, and then I'm going to find where I put my pencil mark, which is right here. So I'm going to hit the origin button to lock that in place. And then we will hit frame so that we can see if our design is in the right spot. All right, and then now we can hit start. All right, this tumbler has finished and it took about an hour. And so now we can take this inside and clean it up. But overall, this is looking so cool. All right, I'm gonna spray this down with some degreaser. And then I'm gonna use a magic eraser to clean this up. This ended up looking so great. I love these new 20-ounce tumblers.